Welcome to my world of wellness. I'm Rashmi, a certified health coach, and I'm so happy you are here. When you join this channel, you're stepping into a lifestyle where you can actually feel better. If you have been feeling tired, bloated, overwhelmed with food choices, this is your space to reconnect, reset, and recharge. Today I'm kicking off a special 10-day wellness habit series, guys. Each day I'll share one small daily habit, one superfood, one fermented food, and one nourishing recipe. All easy, practical, and powerful for your energy, gut health, mood, and overall well being. If you follow along with me, you'll feel the difference not just physically but emotionally and mentally too. So let's start this journey together, one day, one habit at a time. We are starting with a super simple high protein sandwich that's not only delicious but also a complete nourishing meal. So before we get into the recipe, let's begin with today's wellness habit. Just a few minutes of morning sun signals your body to wake up, boost serotonin, which is a happy hormone, guys, and set your circadian rhythm, which means better sleep at night and more energy during the day. Trust me, it's magical, just 2 minutes, which I never skip. Sunlight also helps your skin produce vitamin D, which also supports your immune system, bone health, and even mental health. Let's talk about one of the most underrated wellness habits, grounding, or also called earthing. When you walk barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, soil, or sand, you are actually absorbing free electrons from the earth, which our ancestors have been doing for ages, which we forget to walk barefoot. These electrons help neutralize free radicals in your body, those unstable molecules that causes inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, even autoimmune problems. We are constantly exposed to free radical, guys, through pollution, stress, unhealthy processed food, and even devices, all electronic gadgets, which we are all overwhelmed with all the time. Grounding is nature's way of helping us reset and repair. It's like plugging your body into Earth's healing energy, and it's free. Now, when you pair this grounding with early morning sunlight, you have a powerful combo. So, just imagine 2 to 5 minutes of grounding and sunlight in the morning can help your body fight inflammation, boost mood, improve sleep, support immunity, and give you that peaceful energy to start the day. Who will not want to do that? So, try to include these habits every day and you'll see the difference. So today I'm making this high protein chickpea paneer sandwich. It's very easy, guys. Just boil the chickpeas. I soak the chickpeas overnight. Chickpeas are full of fiber, high in protein and minerals like iron, magnesium, folate. And I'm making this high protein sandwich with all the colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and onions. This combination will give you complete protein and dairy-based protein along with fiber, antioxidants, and crunch. I also added some Greek yogurt, some tahini, and here I'm adding some paneer. I also add some red chili powder, garlic powder, mixed herbs like oregano, basil that adds not just aroma but also powerful antioxidants. Greek yogurt, it's full of probiotics, support digestion, gut health, and add a great dose of protein, guys. These are rich in probiotics, especially lactobacillus, which supports your gut microbiome. So great for digestion, immunity, and mood. Definitely give this sandwich to your kids' lunch or your husband's lunch, and you can make the mixture a night before, and it's good to go in the morning. So a spoonful of tahini will add the extra nutrition. I always try to add tahini is basically a sesame seed paste. It's very easy to make. Just roast some sesame and then add some garlic and some little bit of water and just blend it in the blender. It's high in fat, calcium, iron, and antioxidants. It's excellent for hormonal balance and energy. I've also added a little mayo, some mustard, and honey to balance the flavors. Mix everything together into a really flavorful filling um, and stuff it inside the sourdough bread. which is naturally fermented, easier to digest. It's not just a sandwich, it's a complete healing meal full of protein, probiotics, good fat, fiber, and all flavor in one. So try it out this recipe, guys, and let me know in the comment section if you like it. So today we are also talking about superfood. The spotlight is moringa. I like to add moringa powder to my smoothie or just in warm water, especially after my workout. I take moringa for some time and then I take a gap of like 2-3 days. It's basically a miracle tree. It's loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and protein. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. It also supports your blood sugar level. I also put some lemon to give good taste. So today start with grounding plus sunlight. Nourish your body with high protein meal and enjoy your day with all the energy. If you enjoy this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you tomorrow with day 2 habit and recipe. Let's build this wellness journey